Hi guys, new tutorial about solving question number 11, paper 1-2, winter 19. By looking at question, number 11, there is a part of a curve, there is a shaded part, it's given the equation of the function y is equal to root x plus 1 plus 9. You can write it like this, y is equal to 4x plus 1 all to the power of half plus 9 times 4x plus 1 all to the power of negative half. The graph shows the part of the curve and the minimum point m means you will use derivative is equal to 0. He asked in part 1, find dy by dx. If you remember, when we have a function written in the form of f of x all to the power of n by using a chain rule to get the derivative of this function, just start to drop the power, then take 1 from n to be n minus 1, subtract. Don't forget to write the derivative of the expression. Let's now start from this step to find dy by dx. dy by dx. Drop the power, which is half. Then minus 1 will be 4x plus 1 all to the power of negative half. Don't forget to multiply by derivative of this expression, which is 4. Second part, plus 9 is constant. Drop the power, which is negative half. Then minus 1, 4x plus 1. It's minus half. Minus 1 will be negative 3 over 2. Don't forget to multiply by 4. You can simplify dy by dx is equal to half times 4, which is 2, 4x plus 1 all to the power of negative half. Simplify, sign is negative. Half of 4 will be 2. 2 times 9 is 18. Multiplied by 4x plus 1 all to the power of negative 3 over 2. You can change the power to be positive again by writing it like this. 2 divided by 4x plus 1 all to the power of half, or you can write it again, square root, minus 18 divided by square root of 4x plus 1, but all to the power of 3. This is the final answer simplified for dy by dx. In second part, integrate. Integrate y by dx, same, integrate. Write the function. It's 4x plus 1. 4x plus 1 all to the power of half plus 9 multiplied by 4x plus 1 all to the power of negative half all by dx. Do you remember integrate by using a chain rule? If we have a function, a linear function for any power n, start to integrate 4x plus 1. We'll add 1 to half to be 3 over 2, divided by the new power, which is 3 over 2, multiplied the coefficient of x, which is 4, plus 9 is a constant. Again, we'll start to add 1. You add 1 to negative half will be half, divided by the new power, multiplied by coefficient of x, which is 4. You can simplify the first part. If you simplify this, you will get 1 over 6. 1 over 6 multiplied by 4x plus 1 all to the power of 3 over 2. And the second part, half of 4 is 2. You will get 9 divided by 2, 4x plus 1 all to the power of half. This is the first part, integrate and differentiate. Now look at part 2, find the coordinates of m. It's a given m is minimum, so means derivative is equal to 0 at this point by using the derivative of this function. Equal to 0. and solve the equation to get the values of x. By using the derivative, 2 divided by square root of 4x plus 1 minus 18 divided by square root 4x plus 1 all to the power of 3 is equal to 0. To solve this equation, just write 2 over square root of 4x plus 1. Move to the other side to be 18 divided by square root of 4x plus 1 all to the power of 3. By dividing both sides by 2, you will get 1 over square root of 4x plus 1 divided by 2. You will get 9 over root of 4x plus 1 all to the power of 3. Now, by squaring both sides to remove square root, you will get 1 divided by 4x plus 1 is equal to squaring both sides. You will get 81 divided by 4x plus 1 all to the power of 3. Cross multiplication, you can remove 4x plus 1 from both sides. Maybe it's represent a solution. If you use cross multiplication and simplify also, you will get 4x plus 1 all to the power of 3 is equal to 81. Write 4x plus 1 by moving to the other side, then factorize. You can remove 4x plus 1 because it's not represent a solution because it's undefined at x is equal to -1/2, negative 1 over 4. This is why we can remove it and write 4x plus 1 all to the power of 2 is equal to 81 by taking a square root for both sides. So 4x plus 1 is equal positive or negative 9. Solve the equation, get two solutions. 4x plus 1, 4x plus 1 is equal to 9. So 4x is equal to 8, then x is equal to 2. If you use the second one by negative and continue, 4x plus 1 is equal to -9, you will get 4x is equal to -10. You will get x is equal to -2.5, but this value is rejected. If you look at the curve, it's written here x in positive side. So this is why I would use x only is equal to 2. He asked to find the coordinates. Don't forget to write the value of y. To get the coordinates, 2, and you have to substitute by 2 the original function. If you write here 2, 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1 is 9, square root of 3. 2 times 4, square root of 9, you will get 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So the coordinates will be 6. So this is the final answer for the point coordinates of the point M. Part 3, the shaded region is bounded by the curve y-axis line through M parallel to y to parallel x-axis. Find the area of the shaded. To get the area of the shaded, if you show that after finding the value of M, x coordinate is 2, y coordinate is 6. You can find the area under the curve from 0 to 2, then remove the area of this rectangle to get the area of the shaded. So area under the curve and the x-axis from A to B is y by dx. So you can integrate from 0 to 2, write the equation of the curve, square root of 4x plus 1 plus 9 divided by square root of 4x plus 1 all by dx. After finding this area, remove the area of rectangle, which is length times width, 2 times 6. So the final answer of area of shaded, find the area of this curve minus area of rectangle, 2 times 6 is 12. But we already integrated in part 1. If you look at part 1, this is the final answer. Just substitute by the values of 2 and values of 0 to get the final answer. You can start now to substitute by 2 in this function. Remove x and write 2. Remove x and write 2. Remove x and write 2. Then remove x and write 1. Calculate the value and write the final answer. You will get the final answer of the area, which is equal to 1 1/3. 1 1/3. Don't forget, you have to show your work out step by step. So you have to show me the substitution by 2 minus substitute by 0 to get this part. Then subtract 12, which represents the area of rectangle.